guys, I am helping this bird that I found, and we've been so lucky with birds. I have a knife with a thingy to cut this with. And I have it on its legs because its legs are kind of broken. I have this. Don't worry, I have gloves on. I have gloves on. They're clear gloves, but yeah, you can tell they're gloves. And I'm going to help this bird. It's okay. I'm not sure if you guys can see me. You could tell that it's a baby because that hasn't grown. And then I put this on because its legs. It was sleeping and the cat came. And usually the cat's good, but it's better. Okay. Oh, this is what I'm wearing. This thing I covered it up. I got it from the antique shop today. It just came back from the pool party and I put it showered off. Its eyes are closed. Do this real quick. There's a party going on right here. Celebration up here. It's okay. Can you guys tell me what kind of bird it is and what I should do in the comments below? I need help. I was late for a birthday party because I had to help this fellow. It's a wild bird. We just found it. But I'd rather have it helped than killed. Something here. I fed it some food. I got some dog food and I soaked it in water. And then once it was really soaked, then I got it in I just put it in what's it called? I mixed it with peanut butter. I fed it to him and then I got the little dropper. And I fed him with that. I'm not gonna call the people for a while. Yeah, I'm probably gonna wait 2 weeks until it heals and then I'll wash it with gloves on, heavy gloves on, and then set it out to its mother so it doesn't see the humans have touched it because they won't like it. Yeah. Help, guys. I know you want.